I Spy Ninjas, Project Zorgo is becoming even more powerful than ever, especially with PZ715 right now. He beat PZ9 up, and PZ9's the best fighter in Project Zorgo. So we need to find a way to beat them and conquer Project Zorgo forever.
Don't worry, team. I've already made plans in action. Joseph!
Oh.
Hey, look who's here.
Spy Ninjas, I might have what you're looking for. I've been keeping a close tab on the chemicals that Project Zorgo is using. These are simply just ingredients to create a formula that should be able to defeat Project Zorgo. Once this is finished synthesizing, what we will have is a squishy.
A squishy?
What good is a squishy gonna do us against Project Zorgo, though?
Its outward appearance is not that important. What is important is that it be delivered in a way that looks so innocent, such as a squishy. Now, I would like you Spy Ninjas to test the durability and the efficacy of said delivery systems.
We gotta be able to figure out how to get the liquid out of the squishy and in contact with the Project Zorgo member.
Oh, I know how. Let's just do it.
I have this squishy here, filled with holographic material.
Ew. Oh, it's all black and gross now. I know how to make this more eventful. Oh! Oh! Quick! Oh! Oh my goodness!
Look at that!
Wow, that's what's inside of there. I had no idea. It's just like confetti. I want to go next. I want to go next.
I'm driving, Chad. This looks fun.
I know how to solve who should go next. Follow me. You already know what it is. We got the water balloon down here, and we've got the ninja stars. You've seen us do this before. Whoever pops him gets to run over the next squishy, crunchy, whatever item.
Ooh, I like these ones because they're like a ring.
If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it.
Got it. Seniority takes priority. You can go first.
Of course. Okay, shall I begin?
No.
Daniel's still over there, so don't throw yet. Whoa, Daniel, move on.
You could have decapitated me.
Is he still there?
Dude, I'm here. Over here.
It's time to commence the experiment.
I've never seen anyone throw a ninja star with two hands overhead.
You hit my iPhone. Is it still okay?
Did your phone break, Daniel?
This is still good. You're lucky, Joseph.
Scientific method.
It looks just like one of Joseph Banks' squishies in there.
It does.
Oh,
it's so windy.
keep him safe. Protect him.
I got it.
Good job.
Oh.
Hey, look at that. He's a, what are those called?
Triceratops.
No, they're from
Green
that
guys.
Monster.
Oh.
little yellow guys.
Oh,
Minions.
Minions.
Yeah.
Here we go.
You made his eyeball fly way over here, Regina. Hey, this one looks like Joseph Banks with the glasses like that.
And this one looks like Daniel.
Why is it gotta be so windy?
Hello, little Daniel.
That's not me. I do not look like that. He looks much better looking.
Yes, indeed. It's me, Joseph Banks. If I was a purple owl.
And it's me, the water balloon that Regina just ran over.
He has a name, Regina?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Gerald.
Mr. Gerald.
I look much better shape than them.
Oh! He's really stuck to the ground.
He's doing fantastic. As you can see, safety is #1 priority.
Those glasses really helped him stay alive.
This guy needs a little mouth. There we go.
Daniel, looks like you're throwing up cheese balls.
That's not me. I wish I was him.
It has my eyeballs, right?
Joseph Banks, I'm gonna give you cataract surgery. There we go. Yeah, I'm crying! I'm in the mood for something crunchy and squishy. This one's really sticky.
Oh, you must work at the DMV.
Get our satisfying crunch on. Lasagna. Right here on a bed of noodles. Oh my gosh, he's not coming off. Look at this.
Let me help you out here.
Oh, he's covered in crunchy noodles.
The sound was amazing.
That was amazing.
Good sound.
Now, Daniel, remember the last time you threw a Ninja Star? Where did it go, Regina?
In the pool.
Yeah. Oh, so did your throw, Regina.
Yes, but I've learned from my mistakes, and check this out, guys.
Here we go. 3, 2,
1.
Let's see those DeLorean keys.
Yeah.
Happy face and poop.
Yeah, after you go poo, he feels happy.
These are hard though. You guys better wear some eye protection. Oh yeah. Smoosh. Wow.
There's a piece all the way over there.
Look at Mr. Happy Face. Come on, come back to life. He's back to life. Still happy.
Even after all that. Ew.
This was permanently damaged. Look.
Oh no.
Oh no, it goes back in. Oh wait, that's just the top. Chad Wild Clay is up to the day. Gonna have it his way. Hey, why's that door open over there? Oh, that's the door that Daniel got trapped in.
Yeah, I was in there for like a full day.
PZ9. He's not our friend anymore. We want to run him over with the DeLorean.
I don't know why you just don't remove him from your lives.
I've been trying for months, but these guys.
He played the drums so well, I was blind.
Give me a countdown.
3, 2.
Hey, first try. Woo.
Like I said, I want to crush PZ9 with the DeLorean.
Cause he betrayed me too. I almost got beaten by PZ715. He was there to help, and he just ran off without even helping me.
Yeah, V, you were right. We should have listened to you all along. You were being so mean to him. We were like, V, don't be mean.
Every time I don't listen to V, I regret it.
Husband.
Just kidding.
Anyway,
What do you got, Daniel?
I got PZ9 right here. Let's crush him.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not his real mask, unfortunately, but we'll practice it for when we meet him again.
Good riddance, PZ9, you big old jerk.
Yeah.
Tell me how this feels. Put a rock there so he doesn't go anywhere, so he doesn't try to escape.
Guts and glory.
Oh my goodness.
That's just watermelon juice. Nothing to be afraid of.
These are my friends.
Oh.
Look how sticky they are. Watch this.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, what are you doing to them?
They're all sticking to my head.
Oh.
This one's Mr. Frog and Mr. Duck, Henry and Mr. Pig.
Such creative names.
Can I keep Mr. Pig?
No.
Wait, didn't you have 4? What happened to the other one?
Where's Mr. Piggy? Where's Mr. Pig?
I don't have a bee.
I see something in your pocket.
What?
Do you want him? Are you sure you want him?
Oh, okay, here. All right.
He's getting attached to you.
Literally.
She did it! Her first pun! Oh! Ooh, I'm sorry, little one.
If this guy comes back to shape, I'll be amazed.
He's starting to.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? He's morphing back to his normal self? Oh, that's crazy! Oh, how is that possible?
What?
And Mr. Ducky's back, sort of.
Lives. Good job, guys.
Look at all these little lemons.
Whoa!
Smells good. Is this what Beyonce smells like? Right, coming down.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh!
We got Harry Potter, Snoopy, and Minion.
Oh, Harry Potter, get back there. Stay. Oh.
Merry Christmas, Daniel.
Oh.
Do you hang these from your Christmas tree?
No thanks,
No?
Chad.
No, okay.
Look how cute these are! Farm animals, and
Oh.
they're
Snowman.
All right, let's put them backward.
Backwards?
You'll see. Cow, horsey, and Mr. Snowman.
Thanks for adding the mister.
I think I know what's gonna happen. Oh. Oh!
Oh, you!
Oh, I can't even see anything on this camera.
You got pooped on! Oh!
Oh, guys, I don't feel so good after inhaling all of this sparkly cream dust.
Really? It's just sparkles.
I'm
that's
not,
all it
I'm
is.
not feeling.
Tyler.
How do you guys feel? Feel
Kind of.
Oh, Regina, are you okay? Whoa!
Jeez, Regina, you okay?
Hello?
Oh, guys.
I don't feel so good either, guys.
I don't feel so good either. Oh.
Chad.
Regina? Oh.
Oh, guys, I don't feel so good.
Oh no. What have I done? Spy ninjas? Hello? Spy ninjas? That must have been the real one. Spy ninjas! Spy ninjas! Spy ninjas!